have this opportunity of glorifying His name. Right? Sabi mo nga, hindi na rin ako yung mga ilaw kayo o taas yung pumuna-una ano kita ang ano na yung problema, okay?
May well, actually, nabalang mga ko din.
Ah, hindi na kayo,
Hindi ko na una dyan ako na mga resolution sa last year.
Oh, ano ba? You are reminiscing to 2011?
Oo, mismo 2011.
Sa 2011.
Punta na, may claims nila.
Okay.
So, good afternoon everyone, and happy Sabbath once again. Our part this afternoon is
to give the special song. Oh. Okay, we'll be having this so-called reminiscing the
2011. Ayun, past kay start na. Creation na. So, 2011 na i-reminis natin. Short na kayo.
Okay, so since we will be reminiscing 2011, nakakaya mga kaisunan nga we will be since nga dili man ni siya scripted unlike sa himo ganina. Ato ang himuon karon is that we will be calling some of our brethren to say something about reminiscing the 2011.
Yes, tama din naman.
Okay, so by kinsa may imuhang na of course we do have at least three things that we need to consider. So ito, reminiscing the 2011 with regards to the major events na itabo sa personal life mo. Dahil ikaduha sa global, ikatulo sa church, as a church. So, isa may una-unaan niya pa rin. Katawag ko.
Actually, murag na ano dyan siya naman. Observe ko sa murag karoon na di siya nato. As in, na di siya nato na kapamilya ba? Na kuyo din sa church.
So, I'm requesting, no, kung isa din matawag na mo, huwag balibaray ha? Huwag balibaray.
This is, dapat paano mo ma-enjoy mo yung natawag na surprise. Diba? Pag na-surprise ka, kanilog sa feeling.
Oh, hindi siya scripted.
Oh, so dapat,
okay.
Sister, para sa ako mag-pili muna.
Okay.
Si Sister Herian natin.
Okay, we would like to welcome Sister Herian. And please say something about what is your experience in reminiscing the 2011.
Dito, kailangan talaga siya na, diba?
So let's give now the microphone to Sister Herian.
Na-surprise ko? Wala, kaya ginatulong mo ako halin pangagina. Happy Sabbath! So, kaya microphone, okay? What are the three things again on day? Personal, global, and Biscan, ano lang? Okay. Last year lang ko nag-join because I promised myself na i-graduate na ako, I will offer my talent to God. Because for 8 years, well, wala ko nag-study sa atong school. So, I was engaged on worldly community and everything. So, personally, what happened to me last year was, na nakalimutan ko kayo is, I gave and through all my books. I'm a reader. Actually, it hurts to remember all about 300 books I gave them. I threw some of them because I promised last August na I will stop reading fiction books because I realized na they are just made by people like me, I can make a book, I can make a poem. So, manong ako man sila ang pasahod, di ba? So, there's nothing good in them. So, ako siya nilabay, all my ebooks, all my online. I was the number one of the year in our community, international. I mean, appeal ko na group. But then, I've lost my crown because nag-stop na ko. And then, instead, I'm now on the book 2 of the Spirit of Prophecy, praise God. And then I learned a lot of things na I've shifted my goal now. Instead of having 300 books in a year, I'm doing it 50 books pa lang for now sa akong denomination. Praise God. And then secondly is with my friends, I lost one of my friends. I really can't namatay siya. I lost her. I lost my friendship sa iyaha because I made a decision that I will go every Wednesdays and Fridays and Saturdays here in the church. And I will not go with her sa tanan niya plano sa gawa sa nanalaan. I'm used to the laak-laak things. I'm very good at it. I'm very good sa worldly na things. But then, papromise na ako na siya sinatanan. I've lost her. Ako siyang friend for 3 years. Kauban sa work, wala mi tagdanay until now. Because ingon siya, mag-plastic daw ko kaayo. Because ni-promise ako nga di ko mo, kanino lang ko nga di na ko mumulig sa iya ha. So, mo to na hita ko. Wala na ko niya titindan, and then wala na sa doon nag-isulti sa iya ha. And then, I'll just pray for her na. 3 things no, third is my family. They were so, tremendously, hazardously shocked when they knew na I was part of the Capitol Youth. Because since bata ako, of course, I was trained for an Adventist Federation, something not to be part. But when nagtutong ko college, to think na run by brothers ang akong school, murag nawala akong pagka-Seventh-day Adventist. Mulit ko nga, of course, mulit ko nga, murag na ganit makalimutan na rin mo amin sa hindikanan, ano ba. But then, pag so good yun, mga August di siya na-start, pag August na tingala kita. So, I was very happy nga, nakatouch ko sa akong friends na nabaklay na, my childhood friends si Michelle. And then, akong parents, murag kay nagkaluyan naman akong simbahan, nagkaluyan na tanan. When I went home, they were very so happy na. Well, nakakita silang changes from me. So, praise God. I would like to thank Nung Conrad for inspiring me about my books. And in long days, when he said that this would be not how you understand Spirit of Prophecy at first, because you need to ask God's guidance. But now, praise God, nindot ang books, uncomparable, nindot yung sila kayo. So, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sister Herian. Tony Herian, sa mga tawag ko niya. Herian. Thank you, and we've been blessed also with your presence.
Okay? So, who will be the next?
Dapat nag-shift na ang language ng English at English. Pagkawasan sa natin mga 100 awards ng easily done.
So,
Okay,
you
our next
is
presenter.
others.
Yes,
Okay.
others. And our next speaker, or consider the one who will give her testimony, babae na specific babae. Her testimony. You want to hear someone from abroad? And her name is Sister Valerie. Can you share to us some of your testimonies
About
during the 2011?
Now let's speak of my own
Thank you.
But it's a pleasure to be
Mr. Valerie, thank you so much for that very inspiring testimony.
Since we have already talked with 2011, now this is already 2012. New year. So basically na yung mga kaigsunan or mga kailan nato nga they do have these so-called New Year's resolutions. Ikaw ba? Kung saan may mo New Year's resolution?
Ikaw sa ba?
Ako sa we men first. Ako, New Year's resolution ako. I would try to be more time conscious and not to be in all my undertakings. That's one of my major New Year's resolution. Ikaw ba?
Sa possibilities, I would like to improve my New Year's resolution last year.
Okay, you will try to improve your New Year's resolution last year. See, very, very specific. Now, what will be our activity?
Not like groupings this afternoon, no. We will have the mind activity. In relation to the New Year's resolution, since Nagkanta this afternoon, we will bless by God that you Nagkanta this afternoon, and mahatag kami ng papel. Maybe we divide them first
Yes.
in groups.
I think for this group here, I was our first group, second group, I think Dere, third group, and we have fourth group from Miss Marian down to Mr. Asoy, and the next group, group 5, from Dr. Argante down there. Okay? Kung saan man ang ang activity in our corner?
Actually, we will make a list of your resolution for the next year. Ipakita din ako on December, natuman juga. December this year. Kung sa'y progress na to sa atong resolution, fulfill ba na itong resolution or on what?
Okay. Okay. For the specific instruction is like this. Sa first page or sa front page, you will draw. You will draw something that could describe your New Year's resolution as a whole or as a group. Okay? Then sa luyo, you do have to divide it. Ang first part is that you will list down all the things nga imong gihimo sa 2011 nga dili na nimo himuon sa 2012. Okay? And on the next area, you will list down all the things nga imong himuon sa 2012. You translate that in English. Okay, so basically that's it, no? I think we will appoint someone to be the leader of each group. Okay?